fully. One state they could never bully. Listen to me. We don't make threats. We not making threats. So listen to this coffee tea. I dare you to what you did today. Tell Lion Citadel. False claims. False claims. I dare you to make false claims to the Canadian government. I dare you to do that. I dare you to do that about me. And see what happened after. Okay? We don't make threats. I dare you to make false claim to the Canadian government. I dare you to make those claims. Do as you please. Do as you please. Because I'm gonna find out after what you own and what you have. Because basically I will embarrass you. Just like I'm embarrassing you now and the media. I will embarrass you, shame you, and I'm not gonna stop shaming you. You come for me, I'm gonna show you that me, a giant, you're a midget. Now this is Scorpion. Scorpion hide his face. You're hiding your face, Scorpion, and threatening people you can call law enforcement and all type of thing. I have a clean criminal record. I never been arrested, never get a ticket, never entered in a photo shop. Never in my life. So listen to me, little sprockets, you and Scorpion. Any day you can show your face and come face to face with me in a say a vlogging contest, then I will engage in you. But for now, Scorpion, you are nobody. You just a person that lies that you own tiling company. What's the name of that tiling company? Can I find it? Where do I hire workers? Where do people get workers? You little liar, telling lies. You're just as like coffee. But I dare you guys to do what you want. These guys are saying I'm pretending, because guess what? Guys, watch people lifestyle. Don't get up off your asses and go work and stop pretend. And stop pretend. Stop pretending. Stop capping. You know what I mean? And go actually get up and do something with your guys' life. Go do something with your life, coffee. Get up off your ass and leave Piggy alone. That's what everybody been telling you. Leave Piggy alone. Then you start from Vybz Kartel name. You try to use Popcorn them and try to this Vybz Kartel. You try to use Massacre. You have making threats to one side ladies. I have it all. You have making some verbal abusive languages towards these females. It's the only thing you have is human strength.